In this video, we will talk about writing class intervals in terms of less than type or more than type. Less than type and more than type are the two different ways of writing the class intervals. Okay. Sometimes you will find that in exam, questions are not given to you in direct order of class intervals, but they are given in terms of less than type or more than type. So how to convert the class interval in terms of less than type or more than type, or if we are given the class interval in terms of less than type or more than type, then how to convert them into regular class intervals. This we will see in this video. For example, I have taken class intervals 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, and 90 to 100. Now first we will write this in less than type. So in less than type, we will have let us make one column for this. Now, when we have to write the class intervals in terms of less than type, we always take the upper limits. Because beyond the upper limit, we don't have any number. We have only numbers less than upper limits. So we have 0 less than 10. We have 10 less than 20. We have 20 less than 30. So for this, in writing class interval in terms of less than type, we take the upper limits, all the upper limits. So here 0 to 10 will be written as less than 10. 10 to 20 will be written as less than 20. 20 to 30 will be written as less than 30. In the same way, we will complete this all the values in terms of less than 60, less than 70, less than 80, less than 90, and less than 100. Okay, so this is the way of writing class intervals in terms of less than type. For writing less than type, we take the upper limits, then we write this in terms of less than, keeping in mind that the width or the height of the class should be in same way. It should not change. So as the class intervals are having the width of 10, 10 throughout, so same width will come here. Okay. Now let us write this same class interval in terms of more than type. So here I am making another column because this space will be less. More than type. Now children, when we have to write this intervals in terms of more than type, we have to keep in mind that we always take the lower limits. And lower limits are written with their starting values, so that the more than type intervals are always written like more than or equal to, because we start with these values. So writing 0 to 10 in terms of more than type, we will start with more than or equal to. Now we will take the lower limits. So more than or equal to 0, more than or equal to 10, more than or equal to 20, more than or equal to 30, and in the same way we will write all the values. And the last one, more than or equal to 90. Okay, so this is the way of writing class interval in terms of less than or more than type. Sometimes in examination we are given the class intervals in this type or in this type. So suppose we are given the class intervals in terms of less than type. So how would you convert this type into regular class interval? For this, you will see the width of the values, as we are having the width 10 throughout. So if we are converting this less than type into interval, then keeping in mind that the width is 10, we will go 10 values preceding the first value. So 10 values less than 10 will be equal to 0. So in that way, the first value of less than 10 becomes 0 to 10. Less than 20 will be written as 10 to 20 because preceding value is 10. So 10 to 20 is the second interval. Similarly, 20 to 30 is the third interval, and so on. We will write this less than type into class interval. Similarly, more than type will be written as class interval. Always see the width of the values we are given here. Here, as the width is 10, so we will write it as more than or equal to. So starting from equal to, that is 0, and going to the next value, which is 10. So 0 to 10 will be the first interval, 10 to 20 is second, 20 to 30, and so on. And since it is more than or equal to 90 and more than width of the class interval, which is 10, so last interval will become 90 to 100. So in this way, we can write class interval in terms of less than or more than type, or we can write less than or more than type in terms of class interval.